string handling or library classes. Strings. We generally write string in capital letters because it represents a class. It represents a class. General declarations. String s is equal to, in declaration we don't have to write this equal to, we can simply write string s and that is being declared. But s is equal to good. This is declaration as well as initialization. The main thing we should understand in strings that it has various inbuilt functions, and these functions are called library classes. And these classes are very important for these functions are very important for understanding this class, using the programs, and these functions are predefined. So we should go through all of the functions. We should have a good understanding of these functions, and only then we can do good programs in strings. The very first thing I would start with, how to input a string functions of strings. Input a string. General methods for scanner classes. Scanner classes is string s is equal to sc dot next. When I write only sc dot next, it means single word or combination of characters without space. Example, s is equal to simply good. Now we don't have any space. But if I want to input a sentence, then I'll say string s is equal to sc dot next line. In this case, we can input sentences like s is equal to we are good. Here we have got spaces, right? So this line will give you with spaces and this will give you without spaces, right? And sometimes we use buffer also for this. Where you study buffer, there also we use sc dot next line, right? Generally, any data type is entered in Java programming are in the forms of strings. They are later on converted into various data types using pass functions or converters. They are converted to different data type functions. Now, we'll start with library functions, inbuilt functions which are to be used to perform various operations on strings in this chapter.